All right. Well, good afternoon. This is Aaron Keck, product manager for fuel products and systems. And we'll get started with the best fit replacement elements for the Parker FBO series. So, to get things started, the key part of this really starts with the motivators and benefits. Why do we look at why is there the need for the Parker FBO replacement elements? First and foremost, we're seeing across the industry that there are more strict fuel quality standards. And unfortunately, existing technology that did qualify as clean, dry fuel does not meet the modern standards needed for today's Tier 4 high pressure common rail and higher emission systems. Degradation from high water concentrations because of the changes in fuel means that cellulose can break down with long term exposure to that high water content fuel, as well as some of the standard components, usually a plated steel center support tube or end caps that was commonly used in competitive elements, is at risk for corrosion. And so we saw areas for improvement in the design to meet modern fuel cleanliness standards and to deal with some of the more challenging application changes that we've seen. We look at the FBO replacement element features. So first and foremost, what goes into the element? The filter media that we're using is that proven, tried and true Excelement Z media for particulate filtration. So full synthetic microglass final filter layer that provides 5, 10, and 25 micron media performance as standard with alternatives available upon request of 1 and 3 micron for unique custom applications. Coalescing uses our standard coalescing three-phase technology, but in an outside-in flow to match up with the existing FBO installation and housing flow path. So that allows us to provide a coalescing technology with improved performance with a 5 micron standard filtration rating that provides better fuel water separation while still using their outside-in flow. Sealing using FKM or fluoroelastomer seals, as well as the materials of construction including polymer end caps and stainless steel center support tubes, ensure that it's a very robust but also corrosion resistant and biofuels compatible solution for modern fuels today. Sizes meet the standard available lengths of both 10 and 14-inch configurations, allowing it to meet a variety of applications out there in the field. Now, this table is a quick cross-reference, and this is information. This table is available in our literature, but this gives you a one-to-one competitive comparison with the matching Schroeder part number and model code. Now, you'll notice for absorbing, Parker offers an absorbing solution in these style of elements. We would consider and suggest using a coalescing filtration media in place of. So we offer up a considered replacement. Along with that, we've got the water coalescing media. So at 5 micron, it's a direct replacement. At the 10 and 25, we would consider using that same 5 micron media because for us to achieve that high level of efficiency, our media performs naturally at a 5 micron nominal rating. As part of that, I also encourage you to use the FCC as a resource. So as things are lightening up and flexibility and travel plans allows, we would encourage you to plan your visit to the FCC. Now, this is where the research, development, and demonstration facilities are that helped us develop a product like the Parker FBO replacement elements. If you've got an application that requires competitive or comparative performance testing, or even an application that requires simulated application testing, get in contact with us and we can help you walk through that process, not only with the FBO replacement element applications you may have, but for any fuel filtration application you may have. So with that, I appreciate your time and interest. We are extremely excited to be able to provide this type of solution where it is a form fit and a great improvement in function for the FBO series of replacement elements. So as we wrap up, I would like to again thank you for your time and attention, and I appreciate your time today.